Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our in-depth guide on the Conga 990 roller motor warranty. In this video, we will break down the essential steps to maximize the longevity of your motor while ensuring you are well informed about your warranty rights and options. First, let's gather the necessary tools for this process. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a torque wrench for reassembly. These tools will help you access and maintain the motor effectively. Begin by unplugging the unit and ensuring that it is completely powered down. Safety first. Next, locate the screws that secure the motor cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a designated area to avoid losing them. Once the cover is off, inspect the interior for any dust or debris. Use your soft cloth to gently clean the area around the motor. A clean environment is crucial for efficient motor operation. Now, let's talk about the motor itself. Check for any visible wear or damage. If you notice anything unusual, remember that you have the option of a professional diagnosis without obligation. This service can help identify any underlying issues before they escalate. After your inspection, it's time to reassemble the cover. Align it properly and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure each screw is tightened with a torque wrench to avoid any loose fittings. If you find that you're unable to perform these steps, or if you would prefer not to do it yourself, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means you can have your Conga 990 serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel involved, just great service right at your doorstep. Now, let's discuss the importance of checking your warranty. Ensure you read through your warranty documentation to understand what is covered and for how long. This will help you avoid any surprises should a repair be necessary. If repairs are needed, remember that we provide a quote before any work is completed. This allows you to make informed decisions regarding your motor and budget. After maintenance, plug in your Conga 990 and test its functionality. Listen for any unusual sounds and check that everything is operating smoothly. Regular checks like these can help in prolonging the life of your motor. In summary, maintaining your Conga 990 roller motor is essential for ensuring its longevity and efficiency. Use the right tools, keep it clean, and always be aware of your warranty rights. Should you have any concerns or need assistance, remember our professional diagnosis service is just a call away, and our pickup and delivery service makes it easy for you. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you keep your Conga 990 in top shape. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.